Yeah, you should.
Oh, I will ask the girls, not the boys, okay, David?
Like, Eric, why do you want to know your sister's name? Like, why? Why are you forcing her?
Um, because I just want to like get an idea.
What idea?
Yes, what idea?
An idea of her name.
For whom?
What?
Like, for whom? Like, what? Like, idea for name for whom?
I mean, I just want to know because I mean, because she's been I mean, because in the background, no, Agatha has been like showing her all the time. That's why she always comes to class.
She just shows up, you know.
She comes to class.
Nah, she doesn't.
Okay, now everyone, come back. Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning. Very good morning to all. How are you all? Doing good?
Great.
Great. Perfect.
Great, sir.
So now we will start this chapter number 16, and we'll try to complete it quickly, as quick as possible. So we have chapter number 16, in which we will learn about the circle. Okay. I guess that the properties that we did in the last chapter, which was not there, we will learn in this. Okay. So the first property is like we have all the idea. Okay. So I told you regarding the sector, segment, everything I told you. Yes or no? Okay. Now, today I will tell you one thing. For example, this is a center angle O, and this is A, and this is B. Okay. So this AB is called an arc. What is called? It is called an arc. Okay. So arc AB. Yes or no? This is called as arc AB. Okay. Now, if you want to measure, if you want to measure arc AB,
E.
how will you do it? So
Um,
there's a formula for
theta,
that.
theta upon 360 into phi r square.
Yeah. So there's a formula for that. For example, if I will join this, and if I will join this, okay. So I got the center angle. This is
Sir,
the
is this the
center.
last chapter in math?
Yeah. With this session, with this students, I mean April batch. So we have theta in the it is called as center angle. Theta is called as the center angle. Okay, so there's a formula for that. That length of an arc is equals to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r.
Yeah, 2 pi r because circumference.
Okay, this is the, if you want to find the length of AB, the formula will be theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Everyone got this? So we'll do one question based on this. Okay, find it out. How will you do it? You have the formula. Okay, we have the center angle which is theta, and we have r also which is 7. So you have to put it and you have to solve it. Can you do it, guys? If you have any problem, please ask me to do it. See, the length of an arc. So, Miraculin, what is the formula for that? Just now we wrote length of an arc formula.
Theta by 360 into 2 pi r.
Okay, theta by 360 into 2 into, 2 pi r. We will write 2 pi r. Yeah. Now, what is theta in this, Miraculin?
60
Upon 360 into
upon
2.
7.
What is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into r. What is r?
7.
7. So this 7 and this 7 will cut. This 1 and this 0 will cut. 6 ones are 6, 6 are 2 ones are 2, 3s are. So the answer will be 22 by 3. And if I will do in a decimal points, it becomes 7 point
3.
333, and it will go on centimeter. This is the length of an arc. Everyone got this?
Wait.
No.
Yes, sir. Into 2 pi r, right? Because circumference is 2 pi r, right?
Circumference is 2 pi r. Perfect.
Sir, area of a sector is pi. Pi about 360 times pi r square, right?
Theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is correct. That center angle is called as theta, like sine theta, cos theta, na? Not pi.
Pi. Pi. Pi. Theta.
So today what chapter we will do in science?
Sorry,
Today what chapter we will do in science?
we'll do the heredity.
Like chapter number?
What is chapter number?
25.
25.
Okay.
So now we're in the last chapter of Maths and Science.
No, science also have one more chapter.
Okay. Is heredity difficult, or is it just all about how do we inherit genes from our parents?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
all
that
about
is
how do we
correct.
inherit genes from our parents.
Okay, now we have one theorem that we're gonna learn this. So everyone pay attention. We will prove that theorem also, okay? Because sometimes it's in question. They ask regarding the proving it. Oh, where is my that person? I can't edit. Hmm. So yeah, we have this theorem. The angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc is double at the angle subtended by at any point on the remaining part of a circle. So what this theorem says that we learn that. We learn that. Okay, how? For example, we have this circle, okay, and this is the center. What is the center? For example, this is the center part. Okay. Now the question is saying the angle subtended by an arc. So it can be by an arc or it can be by a chord. No problem in that. Okay. It can be by an arc or it can be by an chord. Like if I will draw the line like this, it will become a chord. So we learn with the chord, but it can be by an arc also. Are you getting my point, guys?
Say it again.
See, the angle subtended by an arc, like we learn this, no? Like the angle subtended by a chord in the center will be the double of the angle subtended by the same chord on the circumference we learned in the previous chapter.
Isn't that the same theorem we learned in the previous
Yeah,
chapter?
same theorem, same theorem. Okay, same theorem.
But here
Okay.
here it is arc, not
Uh,
chord.
Oh,
even
so
if it
it's
is an arc or it is an chord, there won't be any problem in that. It will be
so
same.
in the last chapter we learned that if that code AB can be equal to code C, right?
Angle.
Yeah, I
Like if
mean
chord,
code
if the
made by
same chord,
angle made by code AB can also be equal to angle C.
no, double.
Double,
we,
yeah,
we,
double.
we learn na, okay, for example, if this is an 20 degree, then it will become 10 degree because this is the half of it. In the
Okay.
previous chapter, we learned. Na? So that is the thing. But now in this, we will prove that thing also. So for proving part,
So can you just wait until we write this entire point?
okay, you can write it down. Then I will teach you.
Done, sir. B.
Krishna, Uto, 12 बजे.
Yeah, I finished.
Yeah. So now we will prove this thing. Okay. So I will write all the things. Okay. So now everyone please pay attention. Okay. Don't write. So we have to prove that angle AOB, like twice of angle AOB, is equals to angle ACB. We have to prove that. Okay. Now, Agatha, everyone, please pay attention. Now I will do one.
Sir, wait, 2 ACB is equal to AOB.
2
ACB is equal to AOB.
2 ACB. Sorry. 2 ACB is equals to AOB. Now I did a construction. construction is join OC. Join OC. Everyone pay attention, please. Okay. So we have this O, which is a center angle. So I will write O like this. Okay. Now, I made a what? This is an like I joined the line. Okay. And I named this as a D. D. Okay. Now we have a triangle AOC. This triangle. We have this triangle in our midst, which is AOC. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we have this angle. So basically, we like if you guys didn't remember this, but it's okay. Like this is an triangle,
Yeah.
and in the triangle, this is called as exterior angle. This is called as exterior angle. So the property is called as exterior angle property, which says that the exterior angle is equals to the sum of the two interior angles opposite to it. Like angle X will be equals to angle Y plus angle Z. This is called as exterior angle property. Everyone got this?
Can you repeat this? The exterior angle, that part.
The exterior angle property is the property which says that in a triangle, like this is a triangle, okay? In a triangle, this exterior angle is equals to the sum of the two interior angle which is opposite to it, like Y and Z.
Okay. So the
Okay.
exterior angle is equals to the both interior angles.
The sum of both the interior
Okay.
angle,
Yeah.
which is opposite to it, not this one. This one not. I'm
Can you
saying the
write
opposite.
that point in the board?
Yeah, I will write. So it is exterior angle property which says that the exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of two interior angles opposite to it. This is the exterior angle property. Everyone got this? So in the same way, now everyone please pay attention. Please pay attention. Now we have this angle ADO. Can you see this angle ADO? Now this is an exterior angle of this triangle AOC. Yes or no? See this derivation can come. This proof can come. So everyone please pay attention. David, pay attention better. So this is an exterior angle which is equals to the sum of the interior angle. Means which angle? This one and this one. So this angle and this angle sum is equals to this. Yes or no? So I can write it down that angle AOD is equals to angle angle CAO plus angle OCA. Everyone got this? Yes or no? Are you getting this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Angle
Okay.
AOD is equals to angle CAO plus OCA.
Sir, what else? Sir, in the textbook is also written about inscribed angle.
Yeah, I will tell. Okay. Now listen this. Okay. Now we know that this radius is equal, like OC is equals to OD. So if OC is equals to OD, then their opposite angles are also equal. Yani ki this one is equals to this one. Why OC and OD are equal? Why OC and OA are equal?
Because
Because
there
of
is
radius
according to isosceles angle triangle.
and because they are radii. Radius, no? Like
Radius,
OC is radius and
radius.
OA is radius.
That means
So,
angle.
hmm,
That means this angle CAO and angle OCA are equal, right? Because it's
yeah.
isosceles triangle.
So angle CAO is equals to angle OCA. If I will write here as OCA, so what will become? Angle AOD is equals to angle OCA plus angle OCA. So angle AOD can be written as twice of angle OCA.
Angle CAO.
Everyone got this? Yes or no? In the
Wait,
same way, this is also an exterior angle property. This one also an exterior angle property. Now this one is equals to this one and this one because of exterior angle property. So I can write it down. Just give me a second. So I can write it down like this. Angle DOB is equals to angle OCB plus angle OBC. Okay. Now this and this also equal. So I can conclude that angle DOB is equals to angle OCB plus angle OCB. Why? Because angle OBC is equals to angle OCB. Same. Like this reason, na? Like radius is equal. So same reason is there. Got this? Everyone? Okay. So like angle DOB can be written as twice of angle OCB. Now this is one and this is second. So adding 1 and 2. So angle AOD plus angle DOB is equals to twice of angle OCA plus twice of angle OCB. Everyone got this? What I did? Now everyone please pay attention. I will teach you again. Listen guys, I will give you time to write. So what I did, like I got this relation, I got this relation. This relation till any problem? No problem.
no,
Now
sir.
I add this AOD plus DOB. I add this. Okay. So AOD plus DOB means this is AOD and this is DOB. It will become full angle AOB. Got this? Yes or no? I'm
Yes, sir.
repeating again. I'm adding AOD plus DOB. So this will become whole angle, which is AOB. Yes or no? So it means that this will become AOB. Agatha, everyone got this? So it means that AOD plus DOB will become angle AOB is equals to twice of angle OCA and OCB. Now I will take out 2 as a common, which will become OCA plus angle OCB. So angle AOB is equals to 2 into Now OC and OCB. So we will add this angle. So we have OCA and OCB. If you will add it, what it will become? Ira?
Angle ACB.
Yeah, ACB. So it will become angle ACB. So this thing we have to prove. We got it. That angle AOB, like angle AOB is equals to twice of angle ACB. Everyone got this? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Miracle, everyone got it?
Sir, can you just give us some time to write this down?
Yes, I will give time.
Like I got confused in the last part. Like AOB equals to 2 ACB.
This one,
Yeah.
see, from this I take out 2 as a common.
Okay.
Now 2 as a common is outside. So what will remain behind? From this 2 is out. So it will remain behind only OCA. So I wrote
Yeah.
OCA. From this 2 is outside. So what will remain behind OCB? So I wrote OCB. Now OCA plus OCB means this is
Yeah.
OCA
Mm.
plus OCB. Now they both are added up. So what will become? It will become full angle.
ACB.
Yeah, ACB. So I wrote ACB here. This is the ACB. Got it?
Got it.
Tell me when you're done.
I'm done.
Done, sir.
Everyone done?
Wait for like 2 minutes.
So how long will it take to finish this chapter?
I guess by the end of this week.
Okay.
And then we're done. So said we're done with this course by this month.
Yeah.
More like by next month because you have 2 more science chapters left. I mean, 2 more. I think it's this one.
Okay. Okay, now we will have new theorem. Okay, now we have this theorem. Now it is called as angles in the same segment of a circle. Okay, now everyone please pay attention. So we have this circle. Okay, now for example, this is a center angle which is made by the arc, and these are the two angles. One, one, two. Okay, so if I will name them, this is A, this is O, this is B, and this is C, and this is D. Now, this theorem says that, like everyone please pay attention first, then I will give time to write. Now, this arc makes the angle on the circumference, which is C and which is D. This arc makes the angle on the circumference, which is C and which is D. So this theorem says that these two angles are equal. That these two angles are equal.
Yeah, same as last time.
So this says that if an arc makes the angle on the circumference, so all the angles makes on the circumference are equal. So if we will solve this, so we have to prove that. Everyone, please pay attention. So prove that angle ADB is equals to angle ACB. We have to prove that. Means this angle is equals to this. We have to prove that. Now, Agatha, how we can prove that? Any idea?
Do we draw a line
Yeah.
from, from the center of O to the, make a diameter from O?
No construction required. See, we know that this angle is made by the arc AB, and this angle is also made by the arc AB. So it means that this is the double of this. Like the center angle will be the double of the angle on the circumference. So angle AOB can be written as twice of angle ADB. Why? Because of the angle made by the same arc on center and on circumference. You got my point?
Yes, but I mean, okay, but this theorem says like angle ADB is equal to angle ACB, right?
Yeah. Okay. Now, Ira, can we write this thing also that angle AOB, which is made by this arc AB, is double of this also?
Yeah.
So we can say that angle AOB is equals to twice of angle ACB, and the reason will be the same. Okay. Now what we
Sir,
can
should we
conclude
also
that, yeah.
at each step should we also write the reason why it is like
Yes,
that?
yes, yes, yes. So now we know that this AOB is equals to twice of ADB. This AOB is also equals to twice of ACB. It means that they both are equal. Yeah. So can I conclude this like this? From first and second, twice of ADB is equals to twice of angle ACB. Now this 2 and this 2 will cut. So it will remain behind ADB is equals to angle ACB. Hence proved. You guys got my point?
Yes. Can
Can
you
you
give us
repeat that, sir?
Yeah. Yes, Miracle.
Can you repeat that, sir? The last one.
See,
How did?
like this AOB is there, which is equals to twice of ADB.
Yeah.
This AOB is there, which is equals to twice of ACB. Now these both angles are equals to AOB. So it means that they both are equal also.
Yes.
So I made them equal. And when I make them equal, I cut the 2 with the 2 because they both are multiplied by 2, remaining behind ADB and ACB.
So I had one question.
Please.
Now the classes are not this, but like the classes are getting over. So when I'm studying like for October exam, I'm giving maths in October. Is it okay if like I do the previous question papers for maths and science, and like when you're free, could you correct it for me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, thank you.
Hmm.
Done, sir. Sir?
Yes,
Done, sir.
go. Now after this, you guys have 3 minutes break. Then come back.
Sir?
We will do ninth
Sir?
class. Yes.
Actually, I just now got to find a way to solve the sixth question of term exercise last chapter.
Yeah.
I I know how to do it now. I found out the way, sir, how to do it.
Okay. So you send it me the solution. I'll check it out, and then tomorrow we'll discuss that.
Or right now in this break. Can I'll
Okay.
tell you. I'll tell you what the steps for that.
No, you just send it me the solution first. I have to check it. You send it me the solution, okay, and then tomorrow we'll discuss it. Okay,
Why not today?
because now we have to start the heredity chapter also. So there's a break. Come back in 2 minutes, then we'll start the heredity, because heredity science is like we are lagging 2 chapters behind now. So we have to complete it. Okay. So tomorrow in maths class we'll do it. Okay, guys. So 2 minutes break. Come back.
David,
Yeah.
hi. So, are these accounts and English classes going well? And which chapter are you in?
Accounts, I'm on depreciation right now.
And English?
English, we did the parrot, the one on the parrot yesterday. Was it?
Isn't the parrot one part of the TMA chapters?
I don't think so.
No, parrot is not TMA.
Oh, my book might be wrong.
And like for accounts, so both English and accounts are finishing for you month, right?
What? Can you repeat it?
So for you, both English and accounts portions are getting over this month.
Yeah.
So
So, what chapter is this? Heredity? Chapter number 26?
25.
Okay. Okay, guys. So this is a chapter, heredity, that we're going to learn. Okay. So everyone come back, please. So now what do you mean by heredity? So heredity is like some characters, or we can say most of the characters are basically got inherited from parents to the offspring. Okay. So, for example, just now we have Zoe, like rather these, like I saw you in the classes also. Zoe looks like some characters are looks like his father also, and some look like his mother also. Okay, like we used to say that the smile of Zoe is like his father, or we can say the eyes looks like her mother. Okay, so this is called as heredity, in which the characters get inherited from the parents to the offspring, because offsprings came from parents only. Everyone got this? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there will be some variations also. Okay. So what do you mean by variation? So before going into this, first we will understand the little concept of DNA and all. So for example, we have this cell. Now the outer covering of a cell is called as plasma membrane. We all know this. Everyone, please turn on your camera. Okay. Now plasma membrane. Now in the nucleus, which is the center part of a cell, it has DNA. It has what? DNA. Okay. And DNA has all the information for the uh, DNA has all the information for the organism, like how it will be the nose, how it will be the eyes, height, color, everything.
So if
Okay.
we take the DNA of someone, we can know exactly how does the person look and everything, right?
Yeah. Yeah. We have a DNA fingerproof. No, DNA print information. And like for example, a murder happened. In that crime scene, policeman, if he got hair of a murderer, he can find it out who is the murder, like who killed that person. Okay, so this is all about the DNA. DNA has the information, like your hair. If only hair, if it is plucked out, you will get the whole information of you. So DNA has the information regarding the organism cells. Okay. Now what happened when this cell is about to divide? So the DNA condense themselves like this, condense themselves in the form of this structure, and this structure is called as chromosome.
Oh,
What is called chromosome? So DNA condense themselves in the form of this. It is called as chromosome. Now, when the cell is about to divide, that in the division, like if we will go more deep in this, so we have some bases like adenosine, thiosin, uracil, okay, guanine. So we have all these bases of the DNA. Like DNA is made up of these bases: adenosine, thiosin, uracil, guanine. So all these bases are there. It is called as like adenosines, which is A, T, which is thiosin, G, guanine, and C, ATGC. ATGC. C is cyanine.
A is adenine, G is guanine, T is thymine, C is cytosine.
Cytosine, yeah, cytosine, and U is uracil.
Yes,
So we have all this bases, okay, all this bases in the DNA. Now, for example, everyone please pay attention. Don't write it. There's no thing to write in this. Okay. Now we have this series of bases like ATGCU in the parent's DNA. Okay. Now when the DNA, like when it is about to divide, so the copying will be there because DNA will go to the daughter cells also. Yes. So in that copying, the copy is never ever perfect. When you go to the photocopy shop, you say that sir, please put like make out the Xerox of the Xerox of this paper. So it will be perfect, same to same. Yeah. But when DNA is copying, okay, to go to the daughter cell, that always have some error in it, and the error leads to the variation, like ATCGU. This will be the error. Now, because of this error, like while copying, there is an error. Because of this, we got a variation. This is called as variation. So, what we can say that a parents, parent and the offspring never ever be same. There will be a little variation is there. They even though they look the same, similar, like amoeba, unicellular, it do binary fission. Okay. Now that binary fission, when the baby will be there, so the daughter cell is there. So the parent and the daughter cell never ever be same. They have little variation. Okay. And those who do sexual reproduction, in which a male have sperm and female has ova. So the sperm and ova, when they fuses, they have lot of variation. Why? Because two different gametes are there. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you mean by variation? Variation is a type of error which is happen when DNA is copying from a parent cell. Are you getting this?
Yes,
So,
sir.
like the fertilized egg, while trying to copy the DNA of the two gametes, there will be some error because there are especially two gametes. So, like making a
Yeah.
new variation.
Yeah. Okay. So new variation happens because of the error in the DNA copying.
DNA is
Okay.
in
Now,
chromosome, right?
DNA
DNA is in the chromosome.
is not in chromosome. DNA is in the nucleus, and when cell is about to divide, then it condenses themselves. DNA condense themselves in a chromosome way. So we can understand it like this. The like the wool ball, wool ball. The wool strand is basically DNA, but the wool ball is basically the chromosome. Everyone got this? Like for example, we have the wool ball, no? Like this. So this is basically DNA, and when you condense themselves in the form of this, it is called as chromosome. So like this is a chromosome,
So, a group of DNA is a chromosome.
not group of DNA, not group of DNA. How will I make you understand?
So condensed DNA is a chromosome.
Yeah, we can say that. Okay, it's not group of DNA, but it's condensed form. Okay, like water condense into the ice, like in that way. Okay, so can you see the change? Yes.
Chromosome is also in the nucleus, right?
Yeah, it's in the nucleus.
Okay.
Now, heredity. What do you mean by heredity? Heredity is the passing down of characters from parents to the offspring. So, as I told you, Zoe looks like some characters are look like from mother also, and some characters looks like from father also. Yes, yes or no? Now, variation. So, as I told you, all individual have different terms called variation. Variation is due to the genes or the environment. So because of some genes which is got changed because of DNA copying error, that leads to the variation. Everyone got this?
Yes, sir. So DNA full form is deoxyribonucleic acid.
Yeah, deoxyribonucleic acid. Very good.
Yo.
So similarly, you have note that your family have a curved tip. So basically, some of the variations are there that we have learned. Now, the contribution of George John Mendel, the founders of genetics.
No, it's
So
Gregor.
George,
It's Gregor Johann Mendel. It's Gregor Johann Mendel.
we used to say George.
Yeah, it's actually
George.
Gregor and Mendel.
Yeah, we can say, but we in our times it's called as George John Mendel. Okay, so whatever the name is there, we have the spelling in front of us. Okay, so Mendel's did some experiment to find it out that how the traits are inherited from parents to the offspring. Okay, how traits are inherited from parents to the offspring. Just give me a second, like how it is discussed. Let me check.
So variation is the differences that come after the variations like the error when the DNA is trying to copy, when the daughter cell is trying to copy the DNA of its parent.
Yeah, give me a second. No? Just- Okay, so I have to teach you from that part. Okay, so Mendelian laws of inheritance. Now, this is a big topic. Okay, this is a big topic that we have to understand. Okay, now everyone please pay attention. So we will understand first Mendel. So what Mendel did, Mendel Mendel take a pea plant, which is called as Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum, and he did experiment in it. He took and he did experiment in it. Now, first of all, we'll understand some of the things before going deep into this chapter. First thing is chromosome, which is a condensed form of DNA that we learn. Now we will learn a new thing called as gene. So it's not gene, it's gene. Or it's not any jeans that we used to wear, it's only normal gene. Okay. So what is the gene? Gene, we can say that it is a functional protein of DNA. Now, genes are responsible for the functional, like how the things will be there. They releases the proteins, so the genes can be formed. So everyone, please pay attention. What I'm trying to say, functional protein means we can understand it like this. In a house, we have engineer and we have laborers. So now engineer has the information of the architect of the house, like how the wall will be there, how much degree and that and that. That's so. And what is the work of the labor? To work according to the fingerprint of a house,
Yeah, to build according to the
according to the map. So we can say not fully, but we can say that genes are the laborer of the house. Okay, and the map is basically the DNA. DNA has the information, but who will do the work? Gene will do the work. So genes are responsible for the doing or for the functional work, and they are also responsible for the heredity from parents to the offspring. Like what character should inheritance from parents to the offspring, they genes are also responsible. Everyone got this?
Genes fully
Yes or no?
copy the DNA given to them, right?
Gene, no, not fully. I told you, if fully is there, then there won't be any variation, and it is not true. Not fully. There will be some error. There will be some error in this. Everyone got my point?
Yes,
Still
sir.
here any problem?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Now the next term is character. Um. Okay, I will. I have one book. Just give me a second. I will click the picture and then I will explain it to you.
Hi.
It is anyway strange that there are around like a billion people in the world and more than billion people in the past, and every one of us are a bit different in somewhere, right?
Edric,
Yes.
what is written like next to pea plant?
Pisium sativum. That's a biological name, a scientific name of the pea plant.
Okay.
Is that scientific name important to remember?
I guess not. Maybe 12th, yes. Uh, yo.
Hello guys, can you see this picture?
Do we have to memorize all of this?
Yes. Then only we can understand the concept of this. I said it in the group also, so this is your homework that you should know regard of this. But we will discuss this thing today, and then tomorrow we'll do the more interesting work. Okay, this chapter is very interesting. Okay, so we learn about the chromosome. Okay, we did the chromosome part, we did the gene part, which is a functional unit of heredity. Okay, responsible and determines the thing which will go from parents to the this thing. Now, character. What are the characters? Characters are the some features of an individual. Characters can be color, height, shape. Okay, this all thing is based on the character. Everyone got my point? Miraculin? Okay. Now, what are the trait? Like character is basically the height, and trait is the height which goes to the offspring. Like, if I will tell you, my grandfather's side, they don't have good height. My my maternal like mama, father, they have good height. Now, and my mom doesn't have good height because she's a woman. Okay. So what happened? That there's a height factor from my grandfather's house and from my mother's house. Now that height factor is basically the character, but that is inherited to me because I have a good height. It called as trait. So there's a difference between character and trait. Character is normally height. Trait is inherited, like it goes to the offspring. That is called as trait. The character which goes to the offspring is called as trait. Are you getting my point? No.
So character is just the feature of an individual, while trait
Yeah.
is the inherited character.
Yeah, inherited character which goes to the offspring. Simple as that. Miracle got my point? Okay. Next is allele. This is important. Now put a star mark on this, please. This is important. Allele. One of the different form of particular gene occupying the same position of a chromosome. Now everyone please pay attention. We will understand it. So for example, we have this chromosome. Okay. Now chromosomes, as I told you, chromosomes has the character. That's why we can show up our character. Like if I have a good height, so the character of the height will be on the chromosome, on the DNA. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now, for example, I have the character. So on each strand of a chromosome, I will have the allele. This is called as allele. The allele is basically the particular gene, okay, which is on the chromosome, which is a height gene, or we can say the color gene, like that. Okay, so allele is nothing else, but it's a different form of gene which occupy the same position on a chromosome. Okay, so this is called as gene, like capital T means I have the capital T thing. Okay? Yes or no? Now,
Yes.
allele are of two types. First is
So I got freezed.
Yeah. And wait.
Can't understand the allele part. It's a little bit difficult.
Allele is basically gene, like a single gene, like dominant and recessive. No, like basically one allele is dominant and one allele is recessive. Like if, uh, if, if one allele is dominant and other allele is recessive means that is a gene pair, and if even one allele is dominant means the dominant the dominant allele will express itself. But if only if
okay, guys.
alleles are recessive, then only the dominant will
So,
express itself.
can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what was I'm saying? Allele is basically the gene which is present on the chromosome. Simple as that. Okay. It's a type of gene which is present on the chromosome. Now, allele are of two types. First is homozygous and the second one is heterozygous. Homozygous means if same allele is present, if same allele is present is called as homozygous. And heterozygous means different allele. It is different allele is present on a chromosome is called as heterozygous. Now, if I will take an example of homozygous, it is capital T, or because we can say small t, small t. Okay, and different allele we can say capital T, small t. So if different, like capital T and small t different, they are on the chromosome, it is called as heterozygous. And if they are on the same, it is called as homozygous. Are you got my point?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? No. Miracle? Any doubt?
Why
Got
is the
it.
capital T and lowercase t in the homozygous? Isn't it supposed to be in the heterozygous?
Give me a second. Yeah, tell me. Yes, Agatha. What are you saying?
Homozygous, the same allele is present, and why there is capital T and lowercase t here, different alleles here, and heterozygous supposed to have different allele present, but this one has like capital T and lowercase t.
See, in the homozygous, like if I will make a chromosome, so this will have capital T and this will also have capital T. It is called as homozygous. If I will make another chromosome, it will have small t. This will also have small t in there. Now in this, if I will make this thing, so the one will have capital T and the another will have small t. You got my point?
Got it.
It's gonna look like this. There is wasp.
Wait. T.
Yeah. Basically, there is a wasp which is irritating me. That's why I will go there. Okay. Now, what is I'm saying that homozygous and heterozygous, you guys got it? Okay. Yes or no? Now, everyone, please pay attention. Now, there is another topic called as dominant and recessive. Dominant and recessive. Okay. Now, everyone, please pay attention. Dominant is powerful, recessive is not powerful. Okay. Okay. Now, for example, there are two friends. Okay, or we can say two group of people, in which one says that I want to go and eat pizza, which is the powerful one, and the another one wants to eat burger. But who is the powerful? The pizza one, the pizza one guy. So what he will say, you have to do what I am doing, you have to eat what I am eating. So no matter he has the desire to eat the burger, but he will not eat because the powerful, the dominant one is dominating. You got my point? Okay. So dominant allele is the allele or the character which will show even there are two different groups peoples are there. For example, in heterozygous, this is the heterozygous. Now here the capital T shows the character which is tallness, and small t shows the dwarfness, dwarfness, dwarfness. Okay, small t shows dwarfness and capital T shows tolerance. Okay, now when, like, if I will talk about the heterozygous condition in this, so that capital T is tallness, which is a dominant allele, and small t is recessive allele. So if an organism has this thing, capital T, small t, okay, so the person will be a good height or a bad height?
Good height.
It will be good height. Why? Because capital T is dominant. He is showing the dominant, that he's saying that the person will be tall. Even though small t says that it will be dwarf, but it is not dominant. It is recessive. Are you getting my point?
Can
So
small
Yeah.
t be dominant?
the dominant allele will show the character. Simple as that.
Can smaller t also be dominant?
No, smaller t is recessive. Smaller t is recessive. Capital T, like whatever the capital is there, that is dominant. Capital R, capital Y, anything which is capital, it is called as dominant. To show the dominant, we write capital only. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. This is from
Okay.
heterozygous, right?
Heterozygous. Like if I will take a homozygous, like this has small t and small t. Now both are recessive. Both want that height should be dwarf. Okay. Now nobody can. So the person will be a good height or bad height. It will be a bad height. Like it will be short. You got my point?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And sir,
Now
dominant and recessive, what's the spelling?
like it is there. If you will check it, we have this dominant and this recessive. It's in the like I send it in the group. You can check it out. Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now genotypic, genetic composition of an individual. Now everyone please pay attention. See, when I'm writing capital T, this is called as genotype. Like gene information. Genotype is gene information. It is called as gene information. Okay. So everyone please pay attention. If I will write capital T, small t, it is called as gene information. Which is called as genotype. Everyone got this? Yeah. Now how the person will look like? David, the person will look like tall or short? David,
Uh,
he will be tall or short? Like capital T, small t is there. Capital T will show the dominance. So what you saying?
tall.
Yeah, he will be tall. He will tall in height. So if he is tall in height, then the character which is outer appearance, will become like, I will write person will be tall in height So we can conclude that the outer appearance of the person will be tall. So it is called as phenotype. Phenotype is basically the outer appearance of a person. Genotype is the gene composition of a person. Everyone got my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What
Any
is
problem?
phenotype?
Huh?
What is phenotype?
Phenotype is the outer appearance, like tallness or shortness or yellow color or green color, anything.
Genotype is just the gene information.
Yeah, gene information, like capital T, small t, small t, capital T, like this. This is called as genotype. And the phenotypic is outer appearance. Okay. Now we have monohybrid and dihybrid cross. So for information, monohybrid is when we take one character, it is called as monohybrid cross, like tall. Okay. And dihybrid means when we take two character.
Because
Two
mono
character.
means one and die means two.
Yeah. When we take two characters, it's called as dihybrid cross. Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Progeny is called as offspring, like the kids. And gametes is basically the sperm and ova. Sperm and ova. Like the gametes formation is basically the formation of sperm and formation of ova. Everyone got this? Like
What is
sperm will be
monohybrid?
monohybrid means if you will take only one character, mono means one, and hybrid means character. If you will take only one character, it is called as monohybrid. If you will take two character, it is called as dihybrid. And ova means ova is in female. Everyone got my point? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now you guys
Got it.
can take screenshot. You guys can take screenshot, or Ira can take screenshot, put it in the group, and you guys have to write all the definition as a homework. Yes. Who's was saying something?
It doesn't come out. It's kind of blurry. Could someone else see? It gets.
I
Okay,
think
who can
sir
take
sent.
screenshot?
I think sir sent all these definitions in the group. So
No, yeah, the page is in the group, but this chart diagram and all this thing, if you want, you can take screenshot and put it in the group.
yeah, I can take screenshot.
Yeah, take it and then send it to me in the group.
Progeny is the descendant of the offspring, as a
Yeah.
daughter organism.
Yeah.
Descendants of the 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 descendants.
Okay. Everyone got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can
Sir?
erase.
Ira or Miraculin send it in the group.
Sir,
Hmm.
like for the NXT classes brochure, when you were talking to my mom, by mistake you called her Bhaiya.
Oh. Okay. Okay. So then we'll end this class. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing to Shabakes. Sayonara. Bye bye.